students, this is the textbook for 9th class, Goyal Brothers, Prakashan. This is prescribed for you, and I am going to start with algebra. Already you are having in 8th class about these formulas. So unit 3, algebra, expansions. These are the formulae regarding this chapter. Already in your 8th class textbook you are having. You can see those also. Formula: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. How we will get means when we multiply a plus b into a plus b, when we simplify we will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second formula: a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In the same manner, if you multiply 2 times a minus b into a minus b, then you will be getting a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next, coming third one, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. And the fifth formula, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. When we are adding these two answers, these both get cancelled because opposite signs. A square plus a square, 2a square, b square plus b square, 2b square. We can take 2 common. A 2 into a square plus b square. Fifth one, a plus b whole square minus, here we did addition, now subtraction. A minus b whole square. When we are doing subtraction, the second expression or second answer sign changes. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. We are subtracting. This time plus a square minus a square get cancelled, plus b square minus b square get cancelled, plus 2ab will be plus 4ab. Coming to the sixth formula, a plus 1 by a whole square. This is also in the form of a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here numerator and denominator get cancelled because same a and a. So what is the final answer means a square plus 2. There won't be any variable here. A square plus 2 plus 1 by a square. 1 square means 1 into 1 1, and the square is for both numerator and denominator. Seventh one, a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to same manner a square minus 2 plus 1 by a square because a get cancelled. Eighth one, a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. B square plus 1 by a whole square means 1 is 1. A into a square. Coming to 10th one, a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square. We did here subtraction. 4ab came. But here we got only 4. We did not get ab. Here a is a only. In the place of b, 1 by a is there. A cancelled and we got only just 4. 10th one, a plus 1 by a whole square plus 1 minus 1 by a whole square is equal to the same manner. 2 into a square plus b square, how we got? Here also 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. 11th one, a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Coming to these products from 12th onwards, we are going to multiply 12th one, x plus a into x plus b, x square plus sum of the constants. Here a and b are constant. We are going to add a plus b of x plus product. Product means multiplication. A into b. 13th, one is plus and another one is minus. x plus a into x minus b is equal to x square minus of b minus a of x minus ab. 14. X minus a into x minus b is equal to x square minus of a minus b into x minus ab. 15th, the last one, x minus a into x minus b is equal to x square minus of a plus b of x plus ab. The whole chapter runs on this formula. You have to learn by heart so that this formula will be useful in this whole chapter. Exercise 3a. Using the standard formula, expand each of the following. First problem, second problem I am doing, second bit. 3x plus 10y whole square. Solution given. 3x plus 10y whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a, 3x is there. In the place of b, 10y is there. 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 10y. A square plus 2ab plus 10y whole square. You have to be careful. This square is for both, for 3 and for x. So we have to read as 3x whole square. 3 square is given here. 3 3 is 9 and again x square. Multiply numerical values. 2 3 6. 6 tens are 60. X into y, xy. Plus 10 tens are 100. Y square. Coming to the third bit. Root 2m plus root 3n whole square. Irrational numbers are given. Square roots are there. No need to worry. Be happy. This is also, it is in the form of same formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, root 2m whole square, the square is for both, plus 2 into root 2 into m plus, plus 2 into root 2m into root 3n plus root 3n whole square. Another form of square root is 1 by 2. We can write square root as 1 by 2. Cube root is 1 by 3. Fourth root is 1 by 4. In the same manner, square root I am writing as 1 by 2. Numerator, denominator get cancelled and 2 is left. 2 is remaining. 2m square. Root 2 into root 3. Both are square roots. When both are square roots, we can multiply. Suppose one is square root, another is cube root, we can't multiply. We should not multiply. So root 2 into root 3 will be root 6. This is a rational number and this is irrational number. So we can't multiply rational and irrational. Otherwise, if you take inside, 2 becomes 4 square double. 2 square. 2 root 6n plus, here also square root of 3 I have written as 1 by 2. 2 is in denominator, here 2 is in the numerator. Numerator and denominator get cancelled and 3 is left and n square as it is. So what is the final answer? 2m square plus 2 root 6 n. Here irrational is left plus 3n square. Second problem, second bit. 3x square y plus z whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 3x square y whole square plus 2 into 3x square y into z plus z square. Here I kept bracket, here I did not keep bracket y. Here 3 is there, numerical value and variables are there. So This square is for 3, this square is for x square, and this square is for y. Here there is just z, single variable. Now apply this whole square for all the 3. 3 3 is 9, x to the power of 4, 2 2s are 4, y square, plus 2 3s are 6, x square yz plus z square. Now third bit, 2x plus 1 by 3x whole square. It is in the form of, again, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3x whole square. Here x is common. We can cancel x here. Here 2x whole square, 2 2s 4 and x square plus 2 2s are 4 and the denominator just 3 is there. Nothing is there means here 1 is there. 1 into 3, 3 on. 1 square means 1. Here plus is there. Plus we have to write. 1 square means 1. 3x whole square. 3 3s are 9. X into x, x square. Coming to the third problem. First bit. 2 by 5x plus 5 by 6y whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. 2x by y whole square plus 2 into 2x by 5 into 5y by 6 plus 5y by 6 whole square. 2 2s are 4, x square, 5 5s are 25. Here common tables are there. If any simplification is there, we have to simplify. 2 goes 3 times, 5 goes in 5 one time. And in the numerator, 2 into x into y, 2xy. And the denominator just 3 is left. Coming to here, plus 5y whole square, 5 5s are 25, y square. 6 square means 6 6 are 36. Third bit, 6 plus 5 by x whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. 6 square plus 2 into 6 into 5 by x plus 5 by x whole square. 6 6 are 36, 2 6 are 12, 12 5s are 60. And only just x is there in the denominator, so 60 by x. And 5 by x whole square, 5 square, 5 5s are 25, x square, x into x, x.